Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are quickly see like how we can delete a pipeline from Azure DevOps. So delete a pipeline to Azure DevOps, you can simply go to the pipeline section and you'll see the list of pipelines, like whatever the pipelines we have. You can click on these three dots, more options, and you'll have an option to edit it if you want to change the name and other things, right? You can, if you make, you want to change the name, or if you want to make any of the other change in your pipeline, you can use this option. To rename your pipeline, you can use this option. To add it, to manage the securities related to your pipelines, you can use manage security. To run your pipeline, you can use run, and to delete, you can simply use delete. It will ask you to enter the pipeline name. You can simply copy the pipeline name, paste it, and it will, the delete button is enabled. Simply delete it. So now this pipeline is deleted. If you want to delete one more pipeline, or any other pipeline, you can delete it in this way, right? Let me delete one more just for your reference. Click on this, the simply click on delete, and then it's gone, right? So this is how you can delete your pipeline from Azure DevOps. Thanks for watching this video.